Hey guys, so what's up? So it's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG. Well, if you're new to the channel guys, I would like you to kill and smash that little subscribe button and also to ring that bell notification because we're about to drop a brand new video so you guys can get notified. Okay, so in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can install this glass screen protector on your iPhone. Okay, or it can be on any device. This is an iPhone 12 Pro and it can be installed on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, so after you've opened the package, you're gonna get wet wipes and then dry wipes. Okay, you're gonna get one wet wipes and two dry wipes. Okay, this is, you're gonna get another piece. Alright, wet wipes and dry wipes. You're gonna get two of them. Okay. You're gonna get a dust absorber. Okay, this is really good. Oh, we get three of them. That's crazy good. Okay. Oh yeah, we get three of these as well. Okay, three of these, and we get also three of the screen protectors tempered glass. 1, 2, 3. Okay, three of them. And we get a side note. Okay, your phone. Basically, this is a user manual. So we gotta use the wet wipe first, then the dry wipe. Dab this. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna use wet wipes. Okay, I'm gonna tear it. Okay, so this is a wet wipe. It contains rubbing alcohol on it. So all you gotta do is to clear the phone. After that, we're gonna use dry wipes. Wipe, so we're gonna clear the screen. And if you do believe there is dust, all you have to do is to use this, the dust remover. Okay, so you're gonna peel this off, and to remove dust, just stick it like this. Okay. So now you're gonna grab the screen. You're gonna see something like this. So you're gonna peel this off. Okay. Once peeled, you're gonna roll it over, and then you're gonna align it. Okay. Once aligned, just touch on the screen and let the cover sit properly on the screen. Alright people, so as you can see, now it's good. Alright. Okay. So now what we need to do is, that's done. Now I got this. I also bought this. This one is a pop socket. You can see this. Okay, has shockwave proof. So yeah, let's put this as a back cover as well. How this thing works, I think it's, this becomes like this. This is where your finger goes. Alright, you can push this down as well. that. You can see this. Yeah, you can see this small particle of dust. Now just fit this in. Alright guys, so I have to admit, after a lot of struggle, I finally snapped this in piece. Alright guys, so as you can see now it's fixed. Okay, so basically this is a pop socket.